Transition is about society and history. First of all, we live in a moment of transition, meaning that the sequence of pandemics, war and economic crisis means that we are facing a new era to come. And I think students have to write that era with their projects.
And each student has responded in their own way, in their own individual way.
So I'm really thankful for this opportunity that I had to come here and show my clothes and my art. It surprised me in a really good way, and I really love the history that it has, the city, and how you walk in places that people had walked centuries ago.
Trovo che sia un'esperienza única, irrepetible. La IED de Florencia nos ha cuidado mucho, o sea, estoy muy contenta por eso. Y aquí la experiencia con los periodistas y todo es algo totalmente nuevo que hace mucha ilusión después de 4 años de carrera. Tener esta oportunidad de estar en contacto. O sea, en general creo que es una muy gran oportunidad que hemos tenido todos los participantes.
Pitti is the moment where we reunite, so it's a collective moment. It's a moment that for us means to deliver a concept. This year the concept is transition.